So when they say, it's a test of fire, Mario, for you, I said, no, I've been used to it. But what I am not used to it is the devastation that we incurred or we suffered. But you know one thing that I also saw? Each and every sector lending a hand to help the neighbor, to help us, to help everyone. And nakaka-inspire din eh. I have a vision of coming up with a hospital that would cater to mental rehabilitation. And I think this is due to La Union for a long time already. When it comes to tourism, I will be very serious in our tourism. La Union's tourism is more on an adventure thing. So we will now try to provide additional areas where they can be adventurous. Sa totoo nga lang hindi lang nasa akin eh. But like what I told you earlier, you guys are the key to whatever success that we will now engage in. People are divided in politics, so would be the constituents, because they have their own camps and etc. And I also believe that being a leader, you only lead the way. But if people will not follow you, nothing that you lay out will ever succeed. For you see, I need all of you, all of us, to bind together for whatever we want to do and think that La Union will be better in the future. It will be all of us, not only me. But in most cases, it is mostly you. You know, with me, I love challenges. I do not buckle down under pressure. I try to do my best, but if my best is not good enough, so be it. And that is what I can give to all of you. Those people who are here and those people who are not here, who are constituents of the province of La Union,